क्लास 8 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस हिस्ट्री चैप्टर फर्स्ट हाउ व्हेन एंड वेयर। कब, कहाँ, कैसे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we are able to know the meaning of history. History is the description of the people, places and event of the past written chronologically. It is the description of the lifestyle, customs and traditions, culture, religious beliefs and occupations of our ancestors. It also deals with the social and political systems of the past. In this book, the program of the Indian society educational system and technology and its effect on arts, architecture and literature have also been discussed. Firstly, we are going to know the importance of dates. Then the study of history include the study of dates. Dates are the important for the systematic and chronological study of history. However, it is very difficult to tell the definite date of some important events. For example, it's difficult to fix and date for events which took place over a certain period of time. One such event was the occupation of India by the British. In such cases, we are mention and time period but cannot fix and definite date. Colonialism, the capture of one country by another country. Colonialism means उपनिवेशवाद. उपनिवेशवाद, the capture of one country by another country is called colonialism. किसी एक देश का दूसरे देश पे आधिपत्य जमा लेना, अधिकार कर लेना colonialism या उपनिवेशवाद कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द ब्रिटिश कोलोनाइज इंडिया. ब्रिटेन के लोगों ने, ब्रिटिश लोगों ने इंडिया को उपनिवेशवाद के तौर पे बना लिया था. थैंक यू.